Hello students, let's try this question. A projectile is thrown from ground. With what minimum velocity the projectile should be thrown so that it passes through a point 3, 4. So definitely this point 3, 4, these coordinates are given to us and we may assume that the projectile is projected from origin. So I am assuming that a projectile is projected from origin and there is a point 3, 4 from where it should pass. It's given in question that from this point 3, 4 the projectile needs to be passed. So I am assuming that the y-axis is in vertical upward direction, x-axis is in horizontal direction, and there is a point from where projectile needs to be passed. So we may use the equation of trajectory. We know that equation of trajectory for projectile is y equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. In denominator, I can write 1 plus tan square theta in numerator. We need to find the minimum velocity u so that the path of the projectile is passing through this point 3, 4. So this equation of projectile should have a point 3, 4 as the value of x and y. So let's put value of x and y as 3 and 4. Because if the projectile is passing through that point, then the equation of trajectory should satisfy that point. So if I put y is 4 and x is 3, so I will get 4 equal to 3 tan theta minus g is 10 here, so I might put g as 10, then g by 2 will be 5 by u square into x square. X is going to be 3, so its square will be 9 multiplied with 1 plus tan square theta. We may arrange this equation 5 into 9, it will be 45. So minus 45 by u square, and let's take it in LHS. So I will get 45 by u square into 1 plus tan square theta. So I will write tan square theta. Then rest term will be written later on. Then there is a 3 tan theta here. So if that is taken into LHS, so it will become minus 3 into tan theta. There is a 4 already in LHS, and there is going to be minus 45 by u square multiplied with one term in the LHS, which is going to be positive of 45 by u square here, and this equation going to be 0. Now see that this is a quadratic equation in tan theta and theta is the angle of projection. Theta is the angle of projection and u is the projection speed. So if angle of projection is real, the roots of this equation should be real, and for that I can use the condition that discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So with that condition, I will get d, which is b square minus 4ac. B here is minus 3. You can see that b is minus 3. A is 45 by u square, and c is this term. So let use discriminant greater than or equal to 0 condition. So I will get 3 square, which is 9, minus 4 a, which is 45 by u square, into c, which is 4 plus 45 by u square. This term needs to be greater than or equal to 0. So if you observe properly, this is a condition in velocity u. This is a condition in velocity u. In order to this quadratic equation to have real roots, there is a condition on the velocity. So this is the condition on the velocity of projection for which particle is passing through point 3, 4. So let's further solve this condition. I can multiply this equations, then I will get 9 minus 4 into 45. 45 to the 90 into 4, it will be 180. 180 by u square is multiplied with 4 in first term, then minus 4 180 into 45 by u to the power 4 term will be here. This should be greater than or equal to 0. We can multiply this equation by u to the power 4 term, then I will get 9 u to the power 4 minus 4 into 180 u square minus 180 into 45. This needs to be greater than or equal to 0. This is again a quadratic equation in u square, and we need to find the values of u for which this is greater than or equal to 0. We can solve this expression. We can divide it by 9. So I will get u to the power 4 minus 9 divided here, it will be 20 into 4. So it's going to be 80 u square minus here it will be 20 into 45, so it will be 900. It's going to be greater than equal to 0. I can further solve this equation. I can write it as u square minus this is 2 into 40. So I may write as u square minus 40 u square minus 40 whole square. There will be a term of plus 1600. So I may subtract 1600 from this 900. So I will get minus 2500, and when I take it in LHS, so this is going out to be greater than equal to 2500. So u square minus 40 square, this term is needs to be greater than equal to 2500 in order that this quadratic equation gives me real roots. So I can further solve it. U square greater than equal to u square minus 40 greater than equal to 50, or u square greater than equal to 90. So this is a condition on the initial velocity that u is greater than equal to root 90. Root 90 is 3 root 10. This is a condition, the final condition on the initial velocity of the particle, so that it may pass through the point 3, 4. The minimum velocity is now is easily seen here. It's 3 root 10. Thank you.